We're Wade and Kim, and earlier this year we did something we never thought we would do. We sold our house, sold most everything we had, and we bought an RV, a motorhome to be exact. We walked away from our careers looking for something easier in life, something with more adventure. Kim and I wished to start traveling, and we thought this RV would be a good way to do that. We also took a job as RV host at a local RV resort. And we're hoping between the job and the coach we can find time to travel like we planned on doing. I still have about 2 years before I can fully retire, and during that time what we plan to do is to work on our RV, get it road ready. And when the 2 years are up, well, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I'm Wade Holman, and I have a YouTube channel, Wade and Kim. Kim and I both do things on this YouTube channel. We're sharing our life with you concerning our RV adventures and working at our RV resort. Today, I thought I might show you a few things about what we do, and hopefully there'll be some different things where we're not showing you the same things over and over, and there are, but it doesn't fall into place every day. So come go with us and we'll see what we can get into. Today, walked outside and looked behind our RV, and there was water running down the ditch. That means we have a pretty good water leak somewhere, so I'm going to check that out again to make sure they've got the water turned off and we're working on it and getting it back in order. It appears that it's still running. I have contacted the guys to come fix it. They have been looking at it, but I don't know that they're working on it yet, but the water is coming from up there about as far as you can see. We had temperatures down in the 20s the other day, and a lot of the lines froze, and I'm just guessing this water coming down through here, probably a main line froze somewhere, the ground shifted or something. Anyway, something happened, and we see that a lot out here. All that water was coming from right here and going down the ditch. There may be more leaks, but that's what it appears to be. Kim is out and about this morning. She's doing some PR for the company, having breakfast with some ladies and making sure we tell them all about the resort we're working at. What I'm doing now, I'm going up here and we'll do some inventory just to check, make sure everybody's being honest, keep everybody accountable. Do this about 1 to 2, 3 times a week. Probably one of the most routine things that we do each and every day is check text messages and check emails, answer phones, things like that. We make reservations, and you have to stay on top of that. That can get tricky from time to time, especially when your park starts filling up and you're trying to figure out, okay, somebody's coming in here in a couple of months, where can we put them? That can get real interesting at times.
Coming into work this morning. I'm going to go see what all is waiting for me to start my new day. So why don't you come join me? We'll take a little ride and see what's going on today. And so I gave you that information. My name is Kim Holman, and one of the things I do as a park host is go through and make sure everyone has paid their bill, which is what I'm doing today. Today happens to be Saturday. And so it's a short day for me. So I like to get caught up on some accounting part of it and cleaning and those things, just to kind of get ready for the next week. Even as a park host, we get to have seasons and enjoy different times and decorations, and that's what this is right now. Is we're in the Christmas season, and even all this out, it still gets dusty up here. And so one of the joys I get to do is come up here and dust all the little things, but it also reminds me of the season we're in and what we're doing and the pretty little things that are out, and just enjoy each day, each time of year, each season, each weather, park hosting and being in a new place. Smile. Park hosting has a lot of different things that needs to be done. So now the joy is finding which key fits which one. This is our cleaning cart. And so one thing that I like to do is go through here and see what's in here to make it easy for when we take it to the restrooms, we have all the supplies that we need. So I like to kind of take an inventory of this too and add to it, make it easy on us. Around here, 'cause it doesn't matter. So these are the big rolls that go to the bathroom. I'm just going to add them to our cart to make sure we have adequate supplies when we need it. We have synced the remote to the garage door, so we have multiple openers. And so we're fixing to go test it.
Yeah, see if the syncing worked or not. She's not afraid of anything. If she wasn't physically limited, it would be scary what this woman would try to do. And the moment of truth.
All right. Here we go.
It works. How about that? Like I said, this lady can do anything she sets her mind to. And right after fixing the garage door opener, now she moves on to the bathroom code lock, which is not working right either. Did I mention in a previous video, there's always things to do? We have about 113 sites here, and the park itself is about a half-mile long. There's always construction going on, so between the water leaks and these new buildings here, we have quite a bit going on here right now. These are covers that we're going to put over the site so RVs can have shade and protection from the weather. And with this many people around here, there's always things to clean up and things to do, as I mentioned a while ago. But one of the greatest assets of being a park host is being relational with people. Anytime you're dealing with people, you see all kinds of things, both good and bad. And you just have to take into consideration, even though not so good things happen from time to time, overall the experience is rewarding and satisfying. We would like to thank everyone for joining us today, and if you like the content on our videos, hit that like button. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps us grow our channel and allows us to continue sharing our adventures with good people like you. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. God bless. Y'all have a good day, and we will see you on the next trail.